Hi guys, welcome back to Mrozinski Family Homestead. So I'm super excited. I'm going to start this video off by thanking Cooper's Nursery over in Columbia. They have, they sent my husband home after working a full day with all kinds of vegetables. I think I've seen some squash, some zucchini, some cucumbers. I think there's tomatoes in here, and there's like some peppers and stuff. So I want to thank Cooper's Nursery over there in Columbia for giving us all of these. And they also gave us some blueberries, 2 blueberry bushes. So we'll be adding that to our blueberry collection. So today we're going to be working in the garden. We're going to be planting some lovely vegetables. So I'm just really excited. I'm super excited about it. We're going to be planting in a different bed. One of these beds one of my beds is kind of bare today. We haven't really found nothing to go in it and to call it home. So we're super excited about it. We also have all of our other vegetables and plants. They're growing. They're getting huge. My garden is going to be a huge jungle gym. My husband still has to weed eat in here, but we tried to do as much mowing today as we could. And, well, y'all, let's just get planting, because that's the one thing that brings me joy is planting and getting dirty. Yeah. What? Yeah, those are zucchini.
Mama, I did the dust.
What?
I did the dust.
Yeah? Alright guys, so this is my loofah bed. This is what I had planned on growing loofah in. And I'd come across the fact that I killed our loofah. I killed the loofah. So in this bed, instead of growing loofah, we're actually just going to plant the California Wonder peppers and also the jalapeno peppers, and then we're going to have cucumbers trellis up this. So that's what we're going to do over here in this section. Alright guys, so let's get over here and let's go plant some more tomato plants. We've got 2 different types of tomato plants that I'm super excited about. Levi, what are you doing?
I did the dog.
Are you playing in Mommy's dirt?
Huh? I saw some more rocks.
More rocks?
I did.
Yeah?
I did. I did.
They're little?
Huh? I did.
Alright. Well, keep playing. You're alright. Yeah, you're alright.
Yeah, yeah. I did. Hey.
Are you having fun?
Huh?
You've been working at Cooper's Nursery them long hours. But anyways, so you should know a little bit more about what types of varieties of plants they have.
Yeah, a little bit.
What kind of
I'm getting a little
plants?
more knowledge.
Alright, so what plants have you unloaded and put into place
What do you mean?
as far as the springs? Like what plants? Like you said something about there's some lime trees, lemons.
Yeah, they got lime trees, lemon trees, persimmon trees, orange trees.
You even said something about a grapefruit.
Yeah, they have grapefruit. They
Grapefruit grows on trees?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Olive trees.
So they got a good variety
They
of
have
fruit trees.
a lot of fruit trees. Anything for homesteading they got.
Alright.
Any kind of fruit trees, vegetables, anything they got.
Okay, now what about the other end of it? Like what other kind of plants do they have? I know they have palm trees. They sell palm trees?
Yeah, they sell palm trees, all different varieties, palmetto palms, you know, all, any kind of palm tree you want, they got. I can list names and names and names for hours on this video, but you need to go check them out.
Now, do they do the flowers? All different types of varieties of flowers?
Yeah, there's flowers. There's so many flowers. They got lots of flowers to pretty your house up. They got
So a lot of landscaping.
Yeah, a lot of landscaping stuff. They got a lot of shrubbery for doing landscaping. They got pretty much anything you could think of.
And I got me eaten up by ants. Again, I was standing in the ant bed.
But it's on Parklane Road off of 277 in Columbia area. Yeah, we deliver stuff. You can call and order and we can deliver it, or you can come and buy it and pick what you want and
Delivered and
we'll deliver it, and we also will do installations too.
Well, you can't really install a plant, but you can plant a plant.
Yeah, that's what I mean. We do installations, like landscape designs and installations too.
Y'all, he digs holes for a job.
And I pick things up and put things down.
You're funny. All right, so let's get these blueberries planted. It's going to start raining here within the next hour. So the first one, it's one of the little ones. I want planted right here in between these two blueberries. And it's the small one that I want, so go for it.
Whoa.
Yeah. So how deep do you plant blueberries?
Well, just the bucket, the height of the bucket. Like here's the top and here's the top of the ground.
Yeah.
That's what you really want to do. I mean, you can plant stuff higher, you just have to mound the dirt up to it.
Don't put them roots in there.
I'm not, that's why I'm trying to go through it. Is that how you want it?
Yeah. So you also, y'all, I know y'all have done jobs in Aiken.
Yeah.
And y'all have done jobs out, you've been pretty much all over the Midlands area.
Yeah, doing jobs, yeah.
So, guys, they're not restricted to one area. They go many different places.
Yeah, and if you're in the Columbia area or Midlands area, they come check them out. Everybody's real friendly, helpful. If you have questions on things, they'll answer the questions, what you need to know about different varieties.
You might even get Steven to come install it.
Yeah, that or
Install plant.
yeah, plant the plants or help you out. They have organic soils there, potting soils, planting soils. They got a bunch of different kinds of varieties and stuff like that.
Alright, so y'all please do not laugh at my little bitty blueberry bush right here. Something happened to him. And I got a feeling the culprit's the one who's going to plant the new one.
Well, the bed was overloaded with weeds and I just weed eated. And I thought that was the end one. But apparently it wasn't.
But it's still alive and it's doing really good. Oh, they're in there deep, baby. Still ain't even got it.
Dang, these are weeds.
How deep did you bury these things?
I didn't bury them, barely.
Yeah, we planted these things.
Bare root, they were bare root, so.
Yeah.
Alright, well. Go get me the other shovel so I can just keep that one like that on there.
Alright guys, so make sure you go check out Cooper's Nursery. I will put their address and their information in the description. Thank y'all so much for watching, and may God bless y'all like He has blessed us. And y'all have a wonderful day. Bye guys. Get off my blueberry pants!